Welcome back, folks. Today, we are diving deep into the financial performance of one of the retail giants TJX companies. Grab your popcorn because this is going to be one thrilling ride. Let's start by looking at some essential metrics. The price-to-earnings ratio stands at a healthy 26.38, indicating a fair valuation for the company. Looking ahead, the forward price-to-earnings is at 21.68, suggesting potential growth in the company's future earnings. A lower P/E ratio might indicate an undervalued stock, while a higher one suggests a premium for future growth expectations. In this case, TJX Companies has had an average PR of 23.63 in the last 5 years. The P/G ratio, which combines the P/E ratio with expected earnings growth, is a solid 2.24. This implies that TJX Companies is likely to grow its earnings at a reasonable pace. Wow! The return on equity is an impressive 63.8%, one of the biggest ROE that we see in this channel, indicating that the company is effectively generating profits from shareholders' investments. Moreover, the return on assets is a healthy 13.5%, reflecting the company's efficient use of its assets to generate earnings. Now, let's talk about earnings. The earnings per share currently stands at 3.24, indicating the company's profitability on a per-share basis. And hold your breath, the projected EPS growth over the next 5 years is a staggering 11.8%. Income-seeking investors, take note. The dividend yield is at 1.55%, offering a reasonable income stream. But that's not all. TJX Companies has seen a remarkable 17.39% dividend growth over the last 10 years, despite its enormous dividend cut in 2020. Let's examine the company's efficiency in operations. The operating margin is 9.8%, indicating that the company is effectively managing its expenses to generate profits. The profit margin is equally impressive at 7.6%. Suggesting that TJX Companies is maximizing its profit generation capabilities. These two metrics may be the worst data on TJX Companies, but don't worry, the other metrics are especially encouraging. Now, let's look at the financial trajectory. Over the last 5 years, TJX Companies has experienced a positive evolution of profits and income. This trend showcases the company's ability to adapt to changing market conditions and maintain growth. This steady upward trend could be a promising sign for investors seeking long-term stability, as we can see in the total return of the last 5-year graphic in comparison to S&P 500. Are you still there? The average price return of the last 52 weeks stands at a remarkable 34.26%, making TJX Companies an attractive option for those looking for potential capital gains. Finally, let's talk about the company's size. TJX Companies boasts a massive market capitalization of $98.18 billion, highlighting its significant presence in the retail industry. Analysts predict, on average, that the price of TJX Companies in the next 12 months will be $89.77, which represents an upside of 4.9% compared to the current price. But what seems most likely is that this action will reach the highest price expected by analysts, which represents a growth of almost 30% over the next 12 months. There you have it, folks. TJX Companies is firing on all cylinders, with impressive financial indicators across the board. As always, remember to do your research and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting financial insights. Until next time, happy investing!